Ichibancha, the first harvest of the year, is just around the corner. To get ready for the new season, we're switching into high gear with our pre-processing preparations.
いい町で働いている赤です。今日は、一番茶の、ために、煎茶工場をきれいにします。
At Matcha, we operate both a Sencha and a tencha factory. These spaces are impressive, filled with specialized machinery designed for precision. But after a long season of processing, things get a little messy. Dust, leftover tea leaves, and tea fluff build up in every nook and cranny. So today, it's all about the deep clean. Our team is scrubbing, vacuuming, and polishing every surface to ensure the upcoming harvest is processed in a spotless environment. Our factories are officially ready. Now, we just wait for the leaves. See you at harvest.